What's up sa inyo mga katropa, and welcome back sa ating bagong usapang good vibes. At nandito pa ako sa parking lot at balik ko lang galing duty. At ang hangin, sakit sa tenga. Sobrang hangin. Sobrang ang tagtag ng biyahe kanina, sakit sa ulo. Sakit din sa tiyan. Parang nasa roller coaster. Anyway, kasi kanina punta dito, sobrang atake dito, masyadong lakas ng sakit sa tenga. Sorry. Sobrang turbulent ng flight namin. So parang akong natagtag. Anyway, so kanina yung mga stewardess talagang pinapaalala sa atin na suit tayo ng seatbelt. Anyway, so since sa pag-usapan natin yung turbulence na yan, maganda rin siguro pag-usapan yung mga turbulence sa buhay natin, yung mga pinagdadaanan din natin sa buhay. And mostly talagang dadating lang yun sa buhay natin, na wala kang ka-warning, di ba? Di ba? So bigla lang magugulat ka, ganun sa mukha mo. Di ba? Hindi kagaya kanina, yung turbulence talagang mararamdaman mo. At the same time, someone will remind you, okay, you wear your seatbelt. O kaya you will see a light na magsasabi, okay, time to wear your seatbelt, diba? Well, honestly, ganun talaga ang buhay. Na sometimes those turbulence is quite overwhelming sa buhay natin. Na minsan talaga we tend to quit. We tend to cry. We tend to be quiet. Basta minsan hindi mo na alam kung anong gagawin mo. Kasi talaga wala siyang warning. Kakagulat, diba? Pero one thing na pwede nating gawin is to pray. That's the best thing that we can do. Okay? Kasi we have to talk to Him. And yung, alam mo yung tipong may gusto kang sabihin sa Kanya, ang bigat-bigat na nang nararamdaman mo, you should say, or you should talk to Him. Diba? I don't know if you remember that sinabi ko noon that Jesus knows us better. He's our shepherd in our lives. So kung ano man ang problema natin, diba, we should talk to Him. Diba? Di ba nga parang sabi niya, ask and you shall receive. Diba? We should approach Him with confidence. Diba? Let's pray. Let's pray for Him. Let's pray na anong kailangan natin gawin. Lord, I need your help. This is very overwhelming. I need your help. Diba? Have mercy on me. Have mercy on my family. Have mercy on my life, Lord God. Please help me. Diba? Diba? Kasi minsan we're too busy what we are doing, na nakakalimutan natin even magpasalamat lang. Diba? Which, if we're going to think about it, diba, He gave us everything that we have. Diba? Nagbigay siya sa atin ng mga blessings, even though that we're not deserving on those things, pero because He is so merciful, because He was so generous, that's why binibigyan niya tayo ng sobra-sobra. wala lang, na-share ko lang. Basta tandaan nyo lang, every time that you have a turbulence in your life that's so overwhelming and parang hindi nyo na kaya, all we can do is pray. That's the best thing that we can do. Okay? Because, ano yun, yung mere presence lang niya sa buhay natin, it's a very big deal para sa atin. Kasi, He's the one who acts like a seatbelt in our life. Diba? Na kahit anumang kaguluhan o kahit anumang turbulence ang dumating sa buhay mo, you will feel secure because He was being with you all the time. He's the one who's holding you on that seat every time. Okay? Woo! Mamaya, alis na ako. Pahinga lang akong konti. Kasi parang umikot talaga yung tiyan ko kanina dahil dun sa napakatagtag talaga ng biyahe ko. Again, wag na wag kang mawawala ng pag-asa, brother and sister and mga katropa, dahil God is always with us. Okay? Ang gagawin mo lang, magdadasal ka lang, and that's it. Ask and you shall receive. Knock and the door will be open for you. Tama? Tama. Tama. Okay. Kuha mo. Okay. So anyway, maraming salamat at naistorbo ko naman ang araw nyo. At uuwi na ako. May konti. Pahinga lang tayo. Konti. At maraming salamat sa inyo sa patuloy na pagsuporta nitong channel na ito. At maraming salamat sa mga naging subscriber ko, and I really appreciate everything that you have done. And of course, thank you sa kanya kasi he's the one who's helping me to help you, diba? Tama ba? Oo. Oo, kasi syempre kahit pa paano, he's the one who's guiding me in helping you guys. And I hope kahit pa paano yung mga nasasabi ko sa inyo, it will become a motivation sa inyo. Okay? So again, maraming salamat and God bless to you. Real talk tayo again on the next Usapang Good Vibes. Okay? We're doing it for Him, and thank you and see you on the next Vibes. Okay? Goodbye!